Hello and welcome to Telaris University. In this video, we'll show you the offline operation of XPressEntry. Now, there are many reasons why you may want your device to work offline. Possibly you have an offsite location or you have an intermittent network downtime and you want your readers to continue functioning, or possibly there's a complete network breakdown. In all these cases, our reader is able to store data on itself in an encrypted format, and that is unreadable by any third party. Now we assume in this video that you have XPressEntry installed, which you see in the middle of my screen here, and that you have your handheld installed, which you see on the far right of my screen. Now to demonstrate this, I would show you first that my reader is connected, so you should see transactions come in real time on the device. And in this case, the server and the reader are connected, so the transactions just go in directly into the server from the reader. Now to demonstrate a downtime, I will just shut down the service, and this would mimic a server downtime. Now, whenever there's a downtime, the reader starts to spool the transactions on itself. So if you look here on the right hand of my screen, you should see that now this arrow is red, which means the server is disconnected. And you should start to see transactions spool on the reader, and it's indicated on this arrow here. So I'll just present more badges to the reader. And if you look here on this side, you should see that transactions have started to spool on the reader, and this would continue for as long as the reader and the server fail to establish a connection. Our reader is able to store a very large amount of transactions, and this would continue to store within the reader until the reader and the server establish a connection together. Now, whenever the reader and the server establish a connection, these transactions are spooled directly into the server without any interference from the administrator. So I'll just mimic this as you see on the right by restarting the service. And if you pay attention in the middle here of my screen, you should see those transactions come in, and you should also see the timestamp showing that they are transactions that came in from the past. If we just focus here, you see these transactions are starting to spool. Yeah, there you go. So you see all the transactions coming in, and you see these transactions, see the timestamp is 4:47 and it's now 4:48. These are transactions from the past, and they will come into the server immediately the reader establishes a connection. Now, this demonstrates the offline operation of XPressEntry. Please feel free to reach out to us at helpdesk@telaris.com or sales@telaris.com for technical or product inquiries. Thank you.